It is the 6th of March, 2025. In the heart of Burkina Faso, the atmosphere is supercharged with loud voices of excitement as Africa's most loved president, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, disembarks from his Toyota double cabin. The magnitude of the cheers signals an extraordinary achievement. And yes, indeed, Captain Ibrahim Traoré is arriving to launch the country's first ever detergent factory, marking a new chapter in the country's move to industrialization and self-reliance. This opening of this factory not only signals the country's shift to economic modernization, but a bold step toward economic sovereignty. Today, the nation witnesses the historic inauguration of the FCIS CIDF Detergent Industrial Complex, a landmark achievement in the country's pursuit of self-reliance and progress, Captain Ibrahim Traoré noted. With a commitment to fostering local production and reducing dependency on imports, the government of Captain Ibrahim Traoré has taken a dynamic approach that supports the private sector, encouraging entrepreneurs to take the leap towards industrial development. Investment, though a risk, is the catalyst for economic transformation, and those who embrace it pave the way for national prosperity. Captain Ibrahim Traoré echoed. For decades, the nation had relied on imported cleaning products. The launch of this first-ever detergent manufacturing industrial complex means Burkina Faso will retain the money it traded for the import of cleaning detergents. The factory will also create job opportunities, and the national market finds a sustainable supply of locally made detergents. The call is clear. Industrialization is the future, and now is the time to act. The spirit of enterprise shines brightly as the government extends its unwavering support. With the backing of financial institutions like Banque Postale, initiatives like these gain the necessary foundation to thrive. The presence of key officials and stakeholders during the inauguration of this facility underscores the significance of this event as Burkina Faso takes decisive strides toward economic resilience. Beyond the factory walls, this initiative embodies a greater vision, a vision of a nation harnessing its own resources, expertise, and ingenuity to build a strong and sovereign economy. The impact is profound. More employment for the youth, a boost to local industries, and a substantial reduction in import reliance. This project reflects the aspirations of a self-sufficient Burkina Faso, echoing the words of Captain Thomas Sankara. Our independence will only be true if we produce what we consume and consume what we produce. The success of this endeavor highlights the untapped potential within Burkina Faso's private sector, uplifted with the visionary leadership of Captain Ibrahim Traoré. With courage and determination, local entrepreneurs possess the talent and expertise to develop industries that compete on a global scale. A patriotic, bold, and forward-thinking private sector is the cornerstone of economic growth and social advancement. The government of Captain Ibrahim Traoré remains steadfast in its commitment to creating a favorable business environment, offering incentives, regulatory support, and strategic assistance to encourage further industrial investment. Innovation and sustainability stand as guiding principles, ensuring long-term success and continuous economic progress. As the ceremony climaxed, the official commencement of the FCIS CIDF Detergent Industrial Complex is declared. The moment is one of triumph, symbolizing Burkina Faso's unwavering resolve to forge an independent and prosperous future. With the blessing of the nation's ancestors and the steadfast dedication of its people, the path to industrial sovereignty is firmly set. With great hope and determination, the message resonates. Long live the industrialization of Burkina Faso. Long live a free, sovereign, and prosperous nation. The journey has begun, and the future is bright.